Hello, hello, hello. Assalamu alaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking, and this is a Muslim kitchen when it's Eid time. So I'll be making some Karahi gosht my way. So I have cut the gosht, the meat. This is beef. This is what I'm going to cook, and I have separated the rest. This is for steaks. I'm gonna put it like that. This is for tikka, and I will use this in whatever other time with vegetables, but for now this is the one I'm going to use. This is what happened on Eid days. The guys, they just want to eat meat, and women are the most busy people at Eid time. All right, this is okay. All right, so I'm going to use onions, garlic. I asked for jalapeno peppers, but I ended up with poblanos, so I will use poblanos, and I will marinate it, leave it there for a couple of hours, and then I will come back. And don't mind my hands because I've been working all morning. Alrighty, so let's get started. Okay, so let's wash that meat. Okay, so I have washed the meat, and I like to wash it because I don't want to leave any blood in it, because I'm told that blood carries the disease. A little bit more salt because I'm going to marinate it, and then I have like a tablespoon of dry methi that will sit in there and give some fragrance to the meat. Then I have red chili. I'm using 2 spoons, and going to throw in a couple of red chilies just to leave it in there. Let's see what else. I'm sorry, I'm tired today, but that's okay. A few bay leaf, small ones, maybe one more. Around a tablespoon of minced garlic, dry minced garlic. I will add fresh when I'm cooking it. So a tablespoon of this, and then I will use some fresh. Same thing goes with the onion powder. Onion powder is good in marinade. Just 1 spoon. The turmeric, let me get the turmeric. Teaspoon of turmeric or turmeric, whatever you call it, and this should be enough for this one. This is around 3 pounds of beef, boneless. Okay, a teaspoon of crushed coriander. Oh, I'm sorry, cumin, zira, white zira. That's crushed coriander. That's 1.5 teaspoon. Around 1/4 cup or 4 to 5 tablespoons of white vinegar. Mix it good. This meat is going to sit in this marinade I just made. Oh, it already smells so good. Okay, let me bring the camera closer for you so you can see what I was doing. Tell me that doesn't look good. It does, right? Okay. Oh God, it's so noisy over here. Okay, we have the roughly sliced onions. Just slice them. Don't have to be fancy about it. There's 2 large onions. Nice good size. And now I'm going to bring some garlic, and let's say we need 8 to 10 cloves of garlic peeled, or you can just press it like that if you want. See what happens is it's easier to peel this way. You just take the garlic out, you throw away the peel, throw in the garlic. So let me do the rest. The peel just comes off like that, so you don't have to bother too much. There you go. Take the garlic out and throw away the peel. Okay, let me do the rest. But this technique is for the ones who think it's hard to peel garlic. Just with the palm of your hand, see that? So this is what happens. You get crushed garlic and the peel is out. So that's it. I'm done with the garlic. That is so easy. If you don't like peeling garlic, you don't have to. You just bring it like that. You do this, take the garlic out and throw away the peel. I'm done here. Anyway, at least I think they are poblanos. So I'm taking 2 of them, washed, and just cut chunks out of them. You don't have to be fancy about it. Okay, so let's toss that up one more time. I turn on the flashlight so you can see better. That's how I'm going to cook it. I will give it a few minutes in pressure cooker, 5 minutes in pressure cooker, then I'll take it out and I will just let it cook in a wok or cast iron. Okay, so this is ready. It smells incredible and it looks nice. So that's my plan for tonight. All right, so let's check on the meat. Sorry. Oh my gosh, smells good. That vinegar and all the spices and the green peppers, onion. If I could eat it like that, I would. But anyways, let's start cooking it. Okay, so like I said, my pressure cooker is ready. I'm going to give it between 4 to 5 minutes in the pressure cooker. Let's dump it in there. Everything goes in because it's nice and clean. That liquid is vinegar. Oops. Don't mind me making mess. Alright. Let me clear up that mess. Alright, so you see that I didn't add any water. I'm going to turn the heat up and let it. Okay. The liquid will come out by itself. Because of the vinegar and the salt and the spices, the meat is going to release its own water. So let's just close this. I'm sorry about that. It's the neighborhood. They make a lot of noise in this neighborhood. Okay, that can sit here and wait. Alrighty. Alright, this is about done now. I'm going to stop it and let it cool down. While the pressure cooker is cooling down, I have my cast iron and I'm heating it up slowly. So, okay, now my dears, same thing, 2 to 3 tablespoons or more of cooking oil of your choice. If you don't want too much, if you're not allowed too much, don't do it. Just add a little bit. Let's bring the meat now. Now I'm going to bring the meat and I'm going to try to dump it in away from me you will see all the water that came out. You see that? And if you remember, I didn't add any water to it. I just washed and added a little bit of vinegar. This is all its own. Now we're gonna let it cook. Let me go chop some tomatoes. Between 10 to 15 minutes, we will be able to dry. The meat is good. It's not fully cooked and it's not raw. So that's what I wanted, 4 or 5 minutes. Now we are just going to let it cook in its own waters and let the liquids dry. I'm sorry, I kicked the camera. I'm sorry about that. Alright, so we'll check on it after 10 minutes. And when you see there's not much water left, you can add the tomatoes so they can start cooking at the way in. I'm not a big fan of garam masalas or any hard spices, but just because it's gonna make it smell good, I'm just gonna add like half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. That's it, not much. Let me show you from up top. You see all the water now. It's just in the corners. It's almost dry from the middle. So we're just getting ready to finish this thing. At this point, it's almost ready. You don't see the onion and garlic anymore. You see little chunks of tomatoes, or you see the peppers. Look at how thick the sauce has become, and it's coated the meat, and the meat is melt in your mouth. Good. That is nice and soft. It's not falling apart, but it's very soft now. So that's all that is to a karahi. At the last minute, let's add some garnish, 2 pieces of green chili and lots of cilantro or fresh coriander leaves. How good is that? That smells so good. The white vinegar works as meat tenderizer. That's why I could have used lemon for flavor, but I like to use white vinegar because it's meat tenderizer and makes the meat smell so good. Look at that. Look at that. Alrighty, we're done here. Turn the fire all the way to low and let it sit for a few minutes. Alrighty, let's serve you some bismillah with fresh naan bread. This is my beef karahi without adding any water. Bismillah. See how nice that is? Let's take you closer. There it is. You want me to try some for you? Let me see if I can. Little chunk of meat. See how easily I can break it apart. Just like that. Bismillah. That is good. That meat is so tender. It's melting in the mouth. Alrighty. Don't forget to subscribe. Share, watch it, enjoy it, make it, give me some feedback, let me know how I do, how I usually do, and how I did in this one. Alright, so I'll see you guys soon. And again, please do let me know, leave me some feedback. Thank you for watching. I'm too hungry now to talk, so I gotta eat.